So today we're going to be creating a CSS of style sheet that will automatically make the first letter of your paragraph to come onto a side and look like this. This is just like how newspapers use it in their articles, and it enhances sort of the aesthetics of the web page. Now we're going to get started right away. Alright, so I've emptied out my entire project directory. I've created an index.html file. Now let's dive straight in. I'll be including the styles right through within my sort of HTML document, but you can keep it wherever you want. Now we're going to create this real quickly, style some stuff. So I'm going to create a style element, sort of whatever. Yeah. So wait a minute. Yeah, there. And we will create a div id equals let's see, content, and we're going to end that div. We'll save that real quick, and we will edit some stuff of the body. So body, and let's see, we want to make the color into, let's see, hash 555 maybe. Oh, okay, we need to have some stuff in here, obviously. For now I'm just going to keep ASD. Actually no, not color, background color. Hopefully I've spelled that right. Yep. So once we have that, we are going to style our content div. I've named the ID as content. Instead, I'd prefer to name the class as content. That'll be much better. Class, oops, content. Actually, just keep it as the ID. Because why the hell not? Right. So content, we are going to do width. Let's say for now a 900 pixels. That should do good. Margin will be auto, just so we have enough sort of padding, not padding, but we align everything in the center. Actually, not just auto. I'll do it 50 pixels auto, and then again 50 pixels auto. Yeah, that should do good. Fresh, there we go. Now rather I would make this something like 600, actually smaller. And now we're going to set the background color to, let's see, we will keep it at yeah, I'd prefer white only. And refresh, there we go. Now we need to add some padding and border radius, of course. We're gonna add padding of 20 pixels, nah, 10 pixels. That should do good. Refresh, there we go. Now we will also add a border radius. Now you should sort of put the different like the prefixes for Opera and then for Mozilla and everything, but I'm not going to do that. It's pretty obvious that you have to do that. So yeah. Anyways, refresh, we have those rounded borders now. Now we are going to actually start styling our sort of article. Now with HTML5 you get the article tag. So it's really useful because you can just sort of style content within your article tag. I'm going to generate some lorem ipsum, and about 200 words should do good. I'm gonna save that, refresh, there we go. Now we are also going to create a header for the article. Header, 1 minute. Yeah, and the header is going to be lorem ipsum. I'm gonna save that, refresh. Okay, so now, yeah, so we need to do some styling for this, actually, or rather than, yeah, never mind. Yeah, so header, display, I'm going to make this a block element. There we go. Now we'll style the header real quick. Font weight, let's keep it sort of 800 maybe. That should do pretty nice. Yeah. Then font size. Oops. Font size 30 pixels. Okay, so it won't work. Oh, all right. Sorry. There we go. Lorem ipsum, and then we have that. So now what we need to do is have sort of this paragraph, or encapsulate or encase this into a paragraph, so that we can apply styles to this paragraph instead of applying styles to everything. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So when I refresh, yeah, there we have a little bit of padding now. So now what we're going to do is we can leave this header right here. It's your choice whether to style it further or not, but we're going to get straight into the paragraph styling. So what we'll do is we have our content div. So we're going to do content. Then we have to go down into article and then the paragraph. Now if I style anything in this, it should change the style of the entire paragraph. So let's try doing this. Family um, Arial. Alright, I'm gonna refresh this and it changed the font to Arial. Now however, this is not what I want to do. What I'm going to do is use the sort of pseudo selector called font no, wait a minute, first letter. Now if I save this, you'll see that the Arial font is applied only to the first letter and it's not applied to the rest of the letters. So I'm gonna just work that out now. Yeah, as you can see over here, it has a different font. Anyways, oops, let me refresh. There we go. Yeah, so lorem ipsum. Anyways, I am going to edit. All right. Yeah. So this we will change the font color. Yeah, we'll change the font color to, let's see, um I think this shade of blue should do good, like sort of a dark shade. um yeah, this one, nope. Yeah, that should do good. I'm gonna copy that. I'll paste that in. We will make the font to float left. I'll tell you why. Actually, first let's do this. Font size, I'll make this 35 pixels. Now, this is something that you often see in newspapers, right? But however, oh, we didn't change the font color for some reason. Oh yeah, color, not font color. Anyways, yeah, so I refresh, it changed the font color. Now, this is a bit up. Now, we don't want it to be like that. We want it to sort of allow text to be on the top and the bottom, right? So we are going to make a couple of changes first. Actually, I might increase this. Okay, I'll make the font weight higher. Font weight, I'll make it 800. 900 would be good. 900. Refresh this real quick. There we go. We have a slightly thicker font. Now, to fix the fact that it is like sort of coming at this line and we're not allowing the other line to come up, we are going to make a slight change, that is float, and we're going to make it float left. And if I save this now and refresh, there we go, we've fixed that and it works like a charm. Now, in websites, you might want to use this to start off your articles to just sort of give it a good look, you could say. But anyways, yeah, that's it for today. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.